were they even able to try and manage anybody else's data? Or was it all you had to...
Computer vision was computer vision.
Yeah.
Because again, if they brought in another CAD product to work with it, they're displacing their product with that other product.
Right.
If that product is better than theirs, right? So if you had Calma or CADM or any of these other, and I'm not sure which CAD tools were out there at that time because I really didn't care. I was on, by the way.
Yeah, you're on Team CV, now, right? Baby, all the way, right?
And I'm out there yelling. I'm doing demos of my product, right? We're going in and you get the blue screen of death or the red screen of death or something, and you just avoid it. You say, yeah, we're working on that. You just go on to the next one, right? But, they're looking at me like, what the hell are you talking about, bro? We got all that data. I say, yeah, I know you get your data, but you want to centralize it. So I was making up crap, which I tend to do every once in a while, so that they would have urgency, right?
Right.
Store things. I mean, it really was good that you could centralize your storage, but it was really a defensive move. It had nothing to do with, we want to make your world better. It really was, we want to make our world safe in your world, right? And that lasted for about 2 years. Sherpa, it was really weird. Sherpa, I don't know who they connected CAD with because it had to do somebody. And I don't think computer vision would have connected to them because that would have meant you could replace PDM with Sherpa. Right.
And that wasn't the idea, right? Like you said, the idea was sort of keep your own data.
I left computer vision in 89.